Moses is kind of fat, you know. I don't know why. Vitamins. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit here. I'm waiting for my sister-in-law, guys. I'm using my cell phone. I'm not using the camera. Yung kapitbahay namin naliligo sila sa ilahang liguan sa labas. Ayaw kong tumingin kasi nakakahiya. Anyway, you're such a good girl. Yes, you are. The other Jilos are coming. Hi, Rocks. Ikita nyo yun, yung mga puti-puti na yan. Yun ang liso ng sili. Hi guys! Focus! Anyway guys, yeah, I haven't vlogged the whole day today. I don't vlog because, I don't know, my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law just left. My sister-in-law will bring her to, you know, to that side of the family, the other side. Yeah, so they're gonna have barbecue over there. What else? So I decided to go to Walmart to pick up something. What is that, Dimple Loads? Hello, Dimple Loads. What are you doing, Dimple Loads? Look at her, guys. I kind of doesn't feel like going now because my sister-in-law told me that it's crazy traffic because of the parade, and then so I'm gonna just do it tomorrow. So we're just gonna go shopping tomorrow with Tommy to get some what I have, like, you know, vegetables, fruits, stuff like that, egg, la. Yeah, and I was cleaning outside. I'm gonna do the garden over there. I'm gonna take this off, guys, because it's really hot outside, guys. I don't know why I wear this. Okay, I'm gonna tell Tommy. I texted Tommy though. He doesn't reply me. He doesn't reply. He probably busy. I don't know. I'm not sure, guys. I kind of debating what I'm gonna do right now because of the parade. Okay, Tommy, it's fine. We can go tomorrow. Okay, before the rain. Okay, I need to get my stuff here. This is what I use. Where's the gloves? Gloves right here, and this one right here. And then I cleaned this before already, but I have to clean it again, obviously. Look at that file over there, file here, and file over there too. So yeah, trying just to clean up a little bit. Right, Rocks? Right, Rocks? Mama need to clean up a little bit. Come here. Good girls. My bodyguard. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay guys, right now I am planning to make some brownies, Nutella brownies, guys. I have Nutella right here. This is used already. It says that you don't have to put it in the refrigerator when if you use Nutella. So there's no refrigerator. This is not refrigerated, so I used it long time ago, and this one is still full. Nakakapagod sa sa arm. It's kind of really tiring to use your arm like this, especially when you mixing it, and it's kind of hard because of the, you know, this looks so good. gonna do is spray it. Pagkainin ko lang ito guys, sayang hindi makakain si Roxy at si Misty. Itong leftover ng Kela. Sarap talaga ng Kela eh. I remember my brother loved it. Well, they all love it. But my brother is crazy about it. My younger brother, our youngest. Ito. Iwawash ko to. Lagyan ng diswet. Still bubbly though, but I guess I have to wait a little bit. It's right here guys. 1 2 3 4 5. It's 10. Like this is kind of big and this is kind of smaller. I don't know, I cut it weird. I kind of cut it weird, so whatever. It's just gonna go to the mouth and it tastes really good guys. I kind of debating if I still want to go to the store because Tommy doesn't reply me now. I don't know what's with him, or maybe he doesn't like that I don't go to the store and tomorrow we have to go running around, and so I don't know. What time is it? 4 o'clock. I probably go run to the store later. Tommy's typing, he replying. I said, I love you Tommy. I told Tommy, I love you Tommy, if that's what make you feel good, with a lot of emojis laughing. And then he replied, he's typing right now. I see. I know that's make him type. Very busy. What do you mean? If that makes me feel good, just words. Oh my god, this is falling apart. This is falling apart. Ay, naka. Okay guys, I'm back from shopping. I got bread for, you know, burgers and, you know, hot dogs, spaghetti dogs. I got cabbage for my baby, apple to cut, broccoli for, you know, lemon. I'm gonna cook humba for Ate Claire, for the Filipino one. Yeah, Filipino egg and more egg. Yeah, more carrots, and this is for my humba and for my bihon. Scallion, dahon ng onion. String beans for my thing, carrots for people to eat and for my thing, dipping for chips, and dip for chips and vegetables, whatever dip for like. And I got checks. Pepper jack. It says pepper jack in it. Pepper jack, and I get some cheddar cheese. I get cubes, chicken cubes, and I get creamy onion dip for dipping too. And I got for pasta and for my puppies and my Gatsy. For my cats, turkey. They still have turkey here, but you know, they eat turkey like crazy. I I still have to cook rice, take care of my cooking, and I'm gonna boil some eggs. It's $1 each from the ShopRite brand, you know, for burger and for thing. I think I got 2 for hot dogs and 3 for burgers, because probably people with burgers than hot dog. And I found it. I texted Tommy, what kind of cheese do you like, babe boy? But anyway, guys, I will see you later. I'm just gonna slice everything, like everything, slice everything. For tomorrow, I'm just gonna keep cooking. But the macaroni salad is tonight. I'm gonna make it tonight. There's a lot of cutting in macaroni, guys. Hi, guys. I cut the pineapple. I cut the broccoli. I put it right here. And I will put apple over here. This is, I cut this already for, this is onion and olives over here for tomorrow's macaroni. And I did boiled egg already. I'm gonna do this now. And then that's really it, guys. It is almost 8 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet. So I'm gonna have dinner. Yung kakainin ko lang is leftover. Ito yon, leftover rice. The last leftover of my mungo. And this, the roast beef. The roast beef. Huh?
They are still out?
Yes, hon. They went to Milanese parents for barbecue.
Oh, they put the belly in the barbecue?
Yeah. I'm not invited. Why I'm gonna go?
They didn't say come?
Huh?
They didn't say come?
No. No, because Andrea know that I'm going to grocery, so.
So I gotta figure it out from outside.
Hi to Maricel Villarmia or Villarmia. Hi sis, she's from Hong Kong. Hi, thank you for watching. Nakita ko yung baby mo, super cute. Thank you for watching. Hi. And also shout out to Millie Salita. Hi, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Millie Salita. Hi, thank you for watching. Happy birthday. And also shout out to Nemisha Balios. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Christine Mercado. Yeah, Christine Mercado from Cagayan de Oro. Hi sis! Oh my God, ingat kayo dyan sis ha, sa Cagayan. Thank you for watching sis. Hi! And also shout out to Rachel Alcazar. Hi sis! Rachel Alcazar. Hi! Thank you for watching sis. At saka hi kay Delilah Tion. Hi Delilah, she's an OFW from Kuwait. Hi sis, ingat dyan sa Kuwait sis. Thank you for watching. At saka kay Nori, hi to Nori Dimaraw, Kasangguan. At saka si Rachel Sobrio. Yep. Hi to you guys. You guys are watching right now. You're watching right now. Yes, you. Thank you so much for watching here. From here, thank you. I appreciate it so much sa time na binigay mo. Salamat talaga. Ikaw na nanonood ngayon. Salamat. I'm just done for now. And I'm gonna say goodnight. I will see you tomorrow. My mother-in-law hasn't come yet. My sister-in-law doesn't drop her off here. Tomorrow is her dialysis. But anyway, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, Tammy's already, I think he's already home or still driving home. Tomorrow is the barbecue day here. And there's people here. I don't know if I can vlog much, but I will try my best to vlog while it's busy tomorrow. But I'm gonna go upstairs to change, and I'm gonna edit video for tomorrow. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate it so much. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Bye bye. Let me see if my sister-in-law is here. Bye guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.